Welcome to Link's W07 TV Dynamic Video Scoop.
Some of the time we'll come across certain videos online that we believe that really need to be shared, especially when it depicts people using the road improperly in order for their own personal gain or just in order to show off what their car can do. So we came across this video recently with an Audi and a Mark X motor car racing on the nation road, and I can tell you that even though it seemed fun, this is a very dangerous practice that many people continue to do. And can you just even imagine, based on the speed that these vehicles are going, can you imagine if these vehicles should just get out of control, what devastation can it bring? I'm just going to share these videos with you right now, right here on Link's 007 TV Dynamic Video Scoop. You can just drop it in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this video, and let me know if you agree with how these individuals were traversing the street at this high rate of speed, and what could be the likely cause of this happening, and would you permit or give someone the permission to be driving with you in such a way without you even giving the chance to make that choice whether or not you wanted them to be driving with you in such a way? I look forward to hear from you in the comment section.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.